Okay, so here we have a 45, 45, 90 triangle, and just by being given one side, you can find all three sides. If you guys remember, and these are going to be equal here, which means they're 45. This one is x, then this one is x. So these have to be the same. And this one is whatever the x is, but a square root of 2. With that said, this is 3, then this one also has to be 3, and then this one is going to be 3 square root of 2. In your homework, those are very similar to number 1, number 2, and number 3. Now, for number 4 and 5, it's a little more difficult, because here we're not given the small side, we're given the hypotenuse, which is the bigger side. If we remember, on a 45, 45, 90 triangle, this is an x, and this is x square root of 2. To go back, you're going to need to divide by square root of 2. So here, to go from the big side to the small side, I have to divide by square root of 2. So I have a 12, and I'm going to divide that by a square root of 2. With a calculator, that would be easy, but if we're going to leave it in fraction, it becomes a little more difficult, because you can never have a square root of 2 or any square root at the bottom. So how do I get rid of a square root? You multiply it by itself. And now you can only multiply by 1. So I have to make this a 1. There's my 1. Square root of 2 over square root of 2. Now you multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. This 12 cannot be multiplied by the 2, because this is on the outside and this is on the inside. So it's going to be 12 square root of 2. We're almost done. I have 12 square root of 2 over 2. The 2 and the 12 can be simplified. So 12 divided by 2 is 6 square root of 2. This here is 6 square root of 2. And then this one on this side will also be the same, 6 square root of 2.